Alright.
Of 29th of March 2021. Let's get started with the first question. Which country was the largest arms exporter in the world during 2016-2020 as per the latest SIPRI report? The correct answer in this case, couple of things that you can remember besides this is that the five largest arms exporters in 2016-20 were the United States, Russia, France, Germany, and China. India ranked at 24th position among arm exporters. So this is another number that you can remember, 24th. All right, for India. Persons will be conferred with the Sahitya Academy Awards. Sahitya Academy Awards. How many people? The correct answer is 20. All right. This annual Sahitya Academy Award has been announced for India's 20 regional languages, including Hindi, Maithili, Urdu, and others. Who has become the world's biggest wealth gainer as per the Bloomberg Billionaires Index? Wealth gainer, alright. The correct answer in this case is Gautam Adani. From the name, you know that the Adani Group chairman, Gautam Adani, has achieved a remarkable milestone amid the COVID-19 pandemic as he added the highest wealth to his fortune in the world as per the latest Bloomberg Billionaires Index. Group of countries has been adjudged as the largest importer of arms in the world during 2016-2020 as per SIPRI's Trends in International Arms Transfer 2020 report. The correct answer in this case is all of the above, which is Australia and Saudi Arabia, India and China. The Ratley Hydroelectric Power Corporation is a joint venture company formed by J&K administration with which company to implement the 850 megawatt Ratley hydroelectric project. The correct answer in this case is NHPC. All right. So the Memorandum of Understanding, which is MOU, to execute the project was signed between the government of Jammu and Kashmir and NHPC on the 3rd of January in the presence of Lieutenant Governor. All right. The RBI has imposed a 2 crore penalty on which bank for paying commission to employees? The correct answer in this case is SBI, which is State Bank of India. The RBI has imposed a penalty of 2 crore on SBI for contravention of norms, including specific directions to the lender on remuneration to its employees in the form of commission. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the International Solar Alliance ISA upon the superannuation of Upendra Tripathi? The correct answer in this case is Ajay Mathur. Alright, Dr. Ajay Mathur has assumed office as the Director General of the International Solar Alliance. He has been appointed as the new Director General of which of the following bodies? He has been appointed as the Director General for Central Reserve Police Force, which is CRPF. Central Reserve Police Force. What is the theme of Global Recycling Day 2021? Recycling Heroes is the theme. Alright, to recognize the people, places, and activities that showcase the importance of recycling in preserving natural resources. Who is the author of the book Dawn Under the Dome? Now, books is very important from a GK or a current affairs point of view, so you need to know a lot of them. The correct answer in this case is Swati Pandey. The Postmaster General of Mumbai, Swati Pandey, is the author of the book Dawn Under the Dome. For the latest trends in international arms transfer 2020 reports of SIPRI, what is the rank of India as an arms importer of the world during 2016 2020. The correct answer in this case is the second. As per the annual report titled Trends in International Arms Transfer 2020 released by SIPRI, India continues to be second largest importer in the world during 2016-2020. On which date the Ordnance Factories Day is being celebrated in India? The correct answer is 18th of March every year. The writer will be bestowed with the Sahitya Academy Award 2020. The correct answer is M. Veerappa Moily. Which state will set up 100 nursery sports academies for children? The correct answer in this case is Rajasthan. The Rajasthan government will set up 100 nursery sports academies to give an opportunity to children to play in their districts in the academies. The Global Recycling Day is observed every year on which day? The Global Recycling Day is observed every year on 18th of March to recognize the importance of recycling as a resource, not waste. Who has been appointed as the new Director General DG of the National Security Guard NSG? The correct answer is M.A. Ganapathy. How much amount of loan guarantee program has been announced jointly by USAID and DFC to finance investments by Indian small and medium enterprises in renewable energy solutions? The correct answer is USD 41 million. It has the highest percentage of area covered under micro irrigation as per MOAFW. The correct answer is Sikkim from the options. Now, Sikkim, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra have more than half of the net cultivated farmlands under micro irrigation as per MOAFW. Okay, the highest percentage from this is that of Sikkim. Has been appointed as the new commandant of strategic Kashmir-based 15 Corps. The correct answer is Lieutenant General D.P. Pandey. The Lieutenant General D.P. Pandey has taken over the command of strategic Kashmir-based 15 Corps from Lieutenant General B.S. Raju. All right. And the last question. John Magufuli, who has passed away, was a former president of which country? The correct answer is that he was a president of Tanzania. The president of Tanzania, John Magufuli, has passed away following heart ailment. He was 61 years old. That's it for today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow with the next 20 questions.